Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how do I delete a photo or video from my Instagram story. So let's get started. As we know that Instagram story are automatically deleted after 24 hours, but what if it was posted by mistake? And this is what we're gonna show you today. So to delete your Instagram story, first, after getting the application, you need to tap on the icon shown above. And as you see here, a set of photos that you posted has been shown. Select the photo that you want to delete. Then click on the 3 points left down. A set of option has been shown like that, so you're going to choose the first option or delete. When I shared this story, I posted in both Instagram and Facebook. And for that reason, the application asks me if I want to delete it only on Instagram or both Instagram and Facebook. So I'm gonna delete it only on Instagram. And when you back to Instagram story, the photo has been successfully removed. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.